Good day and welcome to TechTok Daily, your go-to source for tech news across Nigeria, Africa, and the world. We begin today here at home with a major move by the Nigerian government to put artificial intelligence at the heart of our universities. Vice President Kashim Shettima officially flagged off the first AI Unipod at the University of Lagos on April 7th, the flagship hub of what will be a nationwide rollout. The goal? Equip Nigerian youth with real artificial intelligence skills and make Nigeria a serious global hub for digital innovation and job creation. This is no longer a pilot, this is a national strategy. Big government energy is in the tech space, but the private sector isn't resting either. Flutterwave has secured a banking license in Nigeria, its biggest market. This means the fintech giant can now hold deposits directly, process transactions faster, and stop relying on third-party banks. More control, more speed, more power. Flutterwave just leveled up. That's your Nigeria tech wrap. Now let's see what's happening across the continent and beyond. Now let's head across the continent. Africa just got its first Google-powered AI center, and it's a big deal. Liquid C2 and Google Cloud have launched Africa's first AI Partner Experience Center in Johannesburg, South Africa. Businesses across the continent can now get hands-on access to Gemini Enterprise and other powerful AI tools right here in Africa. The message is clear. AI adoption on the continent just got a whole lot easier. And speaking of Africa rising, the money is following the momentum. Fresh data shows African startups raised $711 million in Q1 2026 across more than 80 deals. Egypt and South Africa led the charge, with fintech and clean energy attracting the most in Globex holding its ground. Investors still see this continent as a high-growth frontier. Africa is building, Africa is funded. Now let's take it global. Here's what's happening in world tech today. In a landmark ruling, juries in the United States have found Meta and YouTube liable for social media addiction and child safety violations. This is the first time tech giants have been held legally responsible for the psychological damage their algorithms cause. The verdict is expected to trigger stricter safety by design regulations for social media platforms worldwide. And while big tech is being held accountable in the courts, businesses everywhere are scrambling to keep up with how tech is changing the internet itself. And that is a wrap on today's Tech Talk Daily, your daily briefing on the tech stories shaping Nigeria, Africa, and then the world. If you found YouTube, find us as Tech Talk Daily. We'll be back tomorrow with fresh stories, fresh insights, and everything you need to stay one step ahead. Until then, stay curious, stay informed, and stay ahead of the curve. I'm your anchor. This is Tech Talk Daily. See you tomorrow.